स्वागत है आप सभी का द कॉमर्स बड़ी चैनल में। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज अपन फिर से जॉब अपडेट देखने वाले गाइस। और आज एम्फेसिस और ग्रो की तरफ से गाइस जॉब अपडेट आया जिसमें कोई भी अप्लाई कर सकता है। आप ग्रेजुएट हो गाइस या फिर आप पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट हो तो भी आप यहाँ पे अप्लाई कर सकते हो। और आप इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड हो या फिर आप कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड के हो गाइस, उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, सभी लोग यहाँ पे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। बहुत ही अमेजिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी है गाइस। तो जिनको भी गाइस अप्लाई करना, वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखना गाइस, तभी आपको समझ आएगा। प्लस अपने दोस्तों को भी आप शेयर कर सकते हो। तो अभी तक अपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, जल्दी सब्सक्राइब कर देना और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर देना, जिससे कोई भी आपका अपडेट मिस नहीं हो। तो वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं गाइस। लेट मी शेयर माय स्क्रीन। So friends, here you can see this is the official page of Mphasis, which is again a IT company, and they are offering a junior knowledge specialist guys. So this is opening basically for Pune location, you can see, and here they are asking for 0 to 1 years of working experience. Either you are a fresher or either you are a working professional, having experience also, then also you can apply here guys. Okay. So now if we talk about the role description, so it's a basically like banking and capital markets, and his primary skills like non-voice primary skills percentage are, okay. Now if you go to Mphasis website, you can see it's a basically business process outsourcing, BPO and infrastructure services combination guys. So once when you, if you are interested for this program, first you need to click on apply now. Here the policies are there, you can read terms and conditions, and then you need to click on I agree. There's one page, this you need to fill the basic details, first name, last name, email ID, contact number, date of birth, and all. After applying for this, you can directly apply, because here they are not asking for any specialization and nothing qualification is mentioned. So everyone can apply, guys. Okay. So those who are interested for this junior knowledge specialist, guys, they can directly apply in this amazing job opportunity, guys, which will be the location will be in Pune, guys. Okay. And if you want to share, you can just directly share with your friends also. Okay. From Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or email. Okay, you can directly do that also. Okay. Then if we talk about the second job opportunity, which is customer success executive, and it is given by the Grow. तो guys, Grow एक amazing stock market company है guys, उनकी तरफ से guys आपको customer success executive की जॉब मिल रही है। तो जिनको भी गाइस अप्लाई करना आप कर सकते हो। यहाँ पे जिनको भी ग्रो के बारे में नहीं पढ़ा, तो दे कैन रीड द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द ग्रो कंपनी गाइस। देन यू कैन सी द एक्सपेक्टेशंस क्या क्या है गाइस। तो सबसे पहले आप देख सकते हो ईगरनेस टू लर्न अबाउट द कंपनीज प्रोडक्ट्स एंड देयर कैपेबिलिटीज, ability to manage a high volume of inbound customer queries, technical aptitude and the ability to understand the and explain complex concepts in simple terms. Then we have ability to emphasize with the customer and high customer centricity, and we have knowledge of other regional language is helpful if the company works within the company. Okay, so you can see there are basically expectations should be there, what all things you need to do in the if you are selected in this company guys. And then if we talk about the responsibilities part, so you can see providing a technical support and ad hoc training to customers who use the company's product, replying to inbound queries. Then we have ensuring customers remain satisfied with the product by educating them about functional capabilities and possible upgrades. Then you can see aid with the development and improvement of the products by gathering feedback to identify recurring issues and addressing these with the product manager. And lastly, we have maintaining excellent service standards, going above and beyond to ensure customer satisfaction, retention, prefer. So, guys, you can see basically it's a customer success executive job, guys. Those who want to apply, they can directly apply. Now, if we talk about qualification, guys, तो हियर यू कैन सी अंडर ग्रेजुएट कोर्सेज, जो कि बेसिकली जिन्होंने बीकॉम, बीबीए, बीबीएम, बीए, बीएससी, बीए, एमबीए या पीजीडीएम, सभी लोग यहाँ पे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। कट ऑफ गाइस एटलीस्ट आपका मोर देन 50% होना चाहिए इन क्लास 10th, 12th एंड ग्रेजुएशन, प्लस नो बैकलॉग्स एंड नो गैप विल बी देयर इन योर एजुकेशन। इफ ऑल द टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन are satisfying with you, you can just click on apply now, and then you can directly apply in this job page. First, you need to submit your resume, then first name, last name, email ID, and mobile number, and final submit the documents. That's it, guys. After filling this, you can directly apply in this success customer success executive job, guys. Okay. So, guys, आज के लिए अपन इतने रखते हैं, मिलते हैं next video में. You can directly apply, and if you have any doubt, you can just message me in a comment box. I will ready to solve and out. Okay. So, guys, मिलते हैं next video में. Goodbye, guys. Take care. Bye bye.